In this video, I'll guide you through how to do APA format on Google Docs. If you're writing a research paper, an essay, or any kind of academic assignment, getting the format right is just as important as the content. We'll take things slowly and clearly so you can follow along and set up your document correctly from the very beginning. First, open Google Docs. You can either create a brand new blank document or open an existing one that you want to reformat. Starting from a blank document is usually easier for school papers because you can build the correct APA structure step by step without having to undo old formatting. Once your document is open, the first thing to set is your basic text formatting. APA style typically uses 12 point Times New Roman font with double spacing throughout the entire paper. To do this, highlight any text you already have, or if it's a new document, you can set it before typing. Go to the toolbar, choose Times New Roman from the font drop-down, and set the font size to 12. Then find the line spacing icon, usually represented by horizontal lines with up and down arrows, and change it to double. This ensures that everything you type, including the title page, body text, and references, will be evenly spaced and easy to read. Next, you want to make sure your margins are correct. APA format uses 1-inch margins on all sides. In Google Docs, go to the File menu at the top and select Page Setup. A window will open where you can set the margins. Make sure the top, bottom, left, and right margins are all set to 1 inch. Confirm your changes. This step is important because margins affect how long your paper appears and how it will print or export as a PDF. Now that your basic layout is in place, you're ready to add a title page and page numbers, both of which are required in APA format. For the title page, you'll usually start on a fresh first page. In the center of the page, type your paper's title, your name, and your institutional affiliation, following the instructions you've been given by your instructor or guidelines. Make sure this page also uses 12 point Times New Roman and double spacing, just like the rest of the document. After setting up the title information, you need to insert page numbers. In Google Docs, go to the Insert menu, then choose Page Numbers. Select the option that places the page number in the top right corner. Normally in APA, page numbers appear in the header on every page, including the title page. Check that the number appears correctly on your first page and that it automatically continues onto any additional pages you create. Take a moment to scroll through your document and make sure everything looks consistent. The font should be Times New Roman, the size should be 12, the text should be double spaced, the margin should be 1 inch on all sides, and your title page and page numbers should be in place. That's all you need to set up basic APA format in Google Docs. With these settings in place from the beginning, you can focus on writing your paper, knowing that the structure already follows standard APA guidelines.